friends, myself Leeladhar Bhatti and I welcome all of you. Friends, today we will start our new course which is Basic of Thermodynamics, and friends, today we will discuss about overview of this course. Dear friends, first of all I will tell about me. So myself Leeladhar Bhatti and I am basically from Kutch, Gujarat. Friends, I have completed my 10th and 12th from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Kutch and Bhavnagar, and I always feeling proud for it. Dear friends, I am graduated from RTU Kota in 2017 and I have also qualified CAT in 2017. Dear friends, what is the objective of this course? How this course help you? Friends, it provide basic concept of thermodynamics to you. This is also improve your efficiency toward thermodynamics. Friends, so what is target audience? Who will get benefit from this course? Dear friends, basically I have made this course for RTO GPSC because I am also preparing for this from last 1 year. Hence there is vacancy in Gujarat and Bihar in RTO police, so this is basically for it. But friends, SSC JEE student and also it is helpful for GATE student. Dear friends, what is the overview of this course? We will study about microscopic and macroscopic view. Friends, we will study about classical and statical thermodynamics, how we can differentiate it. As we know that in microscopic view, system is said to be consist of infinite number of molecule, and in macroscopic view it is single unit. We will study our thermodynamics with macroscopic view. Friends, then we will move to system, surrounding and universe. System is quantity of matter which exist in space. Surrounding, it is everything auxiliary to system. And what is universe? System plus surrounding is called as universe. Dear friends, then we will move to types of system on the basis of transfer of energy and mass as open system, closed system and isolated system. What is open system? There is transfer of mass and energy from system boundary. What is closed? In this there is only energy transfer, there is no transfer of mass. And what is isolated? In this there is no transfer of mass and energy from system of boundary. Dear friends, then we will move to types of property on the basis of mass dependent, which is extensive, and independent of mass, which is intensive property. And friends, we will move to thermodynamic equilibrium, which is there is no transfer of energy between system and surrounding, which is called as thermodynamic equilibrium. For existence of thermodynamic equilibrium, there is existence of mechanical, chemical and thermal equilibrium. What is thermal equilibrium? In this there is no difference in temperature between system and surrounding. Then what is mechanical? There is no pressure difference between system and surrounding. And what is chemical? In that there is no chemical reaction between system and surrounding. There is no existence of chemical reaction between system and surrounding. Then friends, we will move to quasi-static process. Friends, what is quasi-static process? There is no transfer of mass and energy between system and surrounding. It means there is no loss of energy in the process, and it is also reversible process or not. We will study in quasi-static process. Then friends, we will move to our first law of thermodynamics for cycle and process. For cycle, amount of net heat supply to system is equal to amount of net work get from system, and for process it is amount of heat supply to system is used in changing internal energy of system and used in to do work. Friends, this is the first law of thermodynamics for cycle and process, and we will study about work done and heat transfer of various process such as isobaric, in which pressure is constant. Then what will the work done and transfer of heat? Dear friends, we will also study about isochoric process in which volume is constant. We will find the work done and transfer of heat for it, and also study about isothermal process in which temperature is constant and we will find work done and transfer of heat which is equal in that case. Dear friends, then we will move to our adiabatic process. So how we can use our adiabatic process in various application of thermodynamics such as in power plant, in RAC and in IC engine, and which type of equation is used we will study here friends, and then we will go for our polytropic process. We will derive equation for work done and transfer of heat for polytropic process, and then we will study our PV diagram for possible polytropics. Friends, in this way this course help you. So friends, I hope that you will take more and more benefit for this course, and thank you.